Hello there. So as you can see in the background, there's going to be a fire presentation. Don't worry about it. I'm going to teach you how to do this one. So welcome, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fire animation presentation in PowerPoint. So let me just remove this one and go back to PowerPoint itself. As you can see right now, currently I have two slides for us to work with. Let me just delete the first one, actually delete everything. Let's create from scratch right here so I can take you step by step. Basically with this one, before we get started, I just want to let you know that the quality here would be depending on your skill set. The only limit here will be your imagination. So I'm just going to show you the ropes, and depending on the quality and how you do it, it's really going to be depending on you, okay? So let's get started. So first things first, let's insert a text box. So this is going to be a blank page for PowerPoint. To insert a text box, make sure you click on insert button right there, choose text box, have a text box right there, and simply type in fire. Now for this one, I'm going to use this specific font. I'm just going to use Aptos Black just for presentation purposes. You can use any font that you like. And of course for the sizing, I'm going to choose a large size, which is 200. I'm just going to fix this one. Again guys, just saying that you can choose any font that you like. You can also choose any side that you like. On this part of the video, it doesn't really matter if you follow me all the way. This is by your own preference. So as you can see right there, we have fire now. Next step, insert a shape. So again, click on insert, look for shapes, and look for rectangle over there. Cover everything up. And as you can see right there, it covered up our text box, or our text says fire. So you want to send this backward. To do that, simply choose this option, send backwards, simply click on it, and you'll have that fire come back up. Make sure, don't forget this part, remove the outline of the said shape. So for this one, we have removed the outline, we have made it on the backward of the fire. Next step would be changing the color. Basically choose the color that you want here. I'm gonna go with gray something. Let me just look for gray, if I have it. Let me see if I have gray over here, okay? How about this one right there? Much more lighter. This one. This will work perfectly. Now that being said, I want to highlight both. So as you can see, I just highlighted both, the background and the word itself, and simply go on this shape format. I'm gonna click on merge shapes and choose subtract. So we have subtracted the fire word inside this plate. That is the one we need. So this is fairly simple now. This is the thing that you need to follow. And next step is just adding the video. So click on insert, or rather just open up the video itself on your document tab. Click on downloads. I have this video I got from Pixel Internet. It's fairly free. So if you play it, this is going to be the fire. So I'm not going to fix it just yet. I would just want to show you how it looks like. I'm going to place this one behind it, the background itself. So send to back. So I'm just going to fix the lining over here. So a little tip for you guys, it's a little hard to place it properly if it's on the back. So I suggest extend it a little bit back right there to place it properly. As you can see right there, I can now place my fire properly right here. However, there are parts right on the fire that there's blank spaces. For example, there's a blank space. If that's making sense for you, there's no fire basically. We can fix that by simply going on this button that says playback and clicking trim video. So basically we're just gonna trim the video on the middle part where there's a lot of fire. That's the idea here. So click on OK and let's check it out. So basically everything has fire. That's what we want. And then basically go back here and make sure you click on loop until stop. And for the sequence, automatically choose it. So let's try playing it. So we're having that fire now, right? We're having that connection that we have right here for both the video and the PowerPoint itself. So basically as of now, this is good to go. However, if you want to take this step a little bit further, I suggest clicking on the exact shapes and then clicking on shape format. For this one, we're just gonna add a shadow. Make sure you click on shadow itself. Again, this is by your own preference. I'm not gonna hold anything against you here. It's gonna be by your own preference. For the video itself, this is gonna be good enough. So this part right here won't show in the PowerPoint. This frame over here, that's the only thing that's gonna see or play on the presentation. So don't worry about this part right there. Now, for the first part, this is good to go. So let's play example. As you can see right there, it's perfectly good. Now, if you want to take this a little step further, click the slide, click on duplicate, and we're gonna try and make the background transparent as much as possible. For this one, I'm gonna click on transparency. I'm gonna highlight it all the way up, and then basically click on fire. As you can see right there, the fire is just showing on this part. So how can we fix this one? Simply make sure that the fire is all throughout the screen. Easy as that. Make sure that's gonna be it. And as you can see right there, it's perfectly all around the screen. So again, by your own preference, choose this transparency that you like and try playing it to check. And as you see right there, the presentation is transparent and we can see the fire, and that's basically it. You've just made a fire presentation using PowerPoint. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.